Hey beauties, it's Kayla. Welcome or welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we are continuing the lightweight oil series, but first I want to just highlight the channel members. Big shout out to you beauties. You keep this channel going and I appreciate you and thank you for rocking with me. So in this lightweight oil series, we're trying out all the lightweight oils, and so far we've tried out jojoba oil, almond oil, and today we're using grapeseed oil on my low porosity hair. And so today is wash day and I'm starting off with the pre-poo to help soften and make my hair more manageable, which helps the washing and detangling process a ton. For today's pre-poo, I'm keeping it simple: aloe vera juice for hydration and grapeseed oil to seal in that moisture. I always say hydration first, then oil to lock it in, especially for us low porosity girlies. I'm starting by spraying my hair with the aloe vera juice to get that hydration in. Then I'm going in with the grapeseed oil to seal everything in. And y'all, immediately my hair feels softer and more manageable. If you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's get into why grapeseed oil is that girl. It's super lightweight, so it won't just sit on top of low porosity hair. It actually absorbs through the hair. It helps add shine without feeling greasy. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which actually supports healthy hair. And it can help reduce breakage by keeping your strands moisturized and soft. So if your hair gets weighed down easily, grapeseed oil is a great option to try. So far for me, grapeseed oil is a win. I definitely like grapeseed oil over olive oil. It's just a lighter oil. It absorbs better and it doesn't leave my hair feeling heavy or greasy. I went ahead and let this pre-poo mix sit in my hair for about 30 minutes before I washed and conditioned my hair. So far, grapeseed oil is giving exactly what it needs to give for low porosity hair: lightweight moisture, softness, and shine. If you're enjoying this lightweight oil series, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments, have you tried grapeseed oil before? And what oil should I test next? I'm thinking the next oil would be argan oil. Let me know what you think. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, share if you care, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, beauties. Peace.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.